Hi, my name is Michael Kresma, and I'm a Mechatronics Application Engineer here at Festo. And in this video, we will be going over how to factory reset your CDPX HMI. This could be useful for when you forget your password or for when you want to fully remove all applications from your HMI. First, you'll need to be able to get these files onto a flash drive. You'll want to get your auto exec and you'll want to get your recovery. You'll be able to find these files in the link provided below. Next, what you'll want to do is you'll want to put those files onto a USB. Once you put those onto a USB, we'll plug it into our HMI. So we'll do a power cycle, turn it back on. You'll see that it starts to reboot. We'll hear the double click, and we'll wait for this process. A couple of prompts will show up, but we can just wait for this process to continue. As you can see, the HMI has now fully rebooted. Thank you, and have a nice day.